as you can see, outdoor 6-person barrel sauna. Very tiny, very neat, and looks so beautiful. So right now we are going to install the heater and try out this beautiful sauna. So let's go. Woo-hoo. So today I received a heater from my Chinese partners, MXmoonant. They sent me a really great heater, upgraded, and right now I'm gonna open it and install this one into this sauna, which smells so good, like cedar, always great. Yeah, so as you can see, wires already there. It's like 10-3 wire, that's what you need. And let's open the box. So you already see screws here, and let's see what we have over here. You see a new sauna controller, that's great. Screws, even gloves. So as you can see, here's the control panel. You just unscrew it, remove it. You see line 1, line 2, and neutral. That's it, easy. You need to unscrew this part, pull in the wire, as you can see over there, and just screw it. So you would need 8-3 wire, okay, just to connect to here. So let's try. Hey guys, so the heater is ready. Let's dive in and explore it. Let's go. So MXmoonant. Oh, I already feel the smell. It's heating up. Rocks are in here. It's warm. So we have now everything on the side, upgraded, more convenient and more reliable. Okay, so now we are going to install it. It's a mounting plate over here, and we just need to remove it. Underneath it's gonna be the control. It's warm, nice, everything is working. So this is the timer, this is the temperature, turn and off, lights. Yeah, beautiful. So let's wait for another maybe 40 minutes and we'll start to jump into the sauna and have some sweat.